Music. I need music. Okay. Bright Eyes. Okay. So, I'm Savannah, and this is Bright Eyes. Bright Eyes, the music you are listening to right now. Today, I had an allergic reaction to a cat. I have 2 cats. So I went to the pet store today with a couple of friends to look at the kitties. And yeah, that's what happened. I pet this one really fuzzy furry cat that loved me, and I held it close to my heart. And I have hives on my neck and my face. And my nose is bright red, and my eyes were on fire, and they're bright red. That's why I'm home now, on a Friday. This sucks. At least I'm making a video thingy. I don't know. I'm using this computer that my dad got, and it's nice. It's like really light. It's a MacBook Air. It's light. But yeah, it's horrible. Don't get an allergic reaction to cats. I'm not even allergic to cats, and I got one. It's Bright Eyes. Bright Eyes.
You have a heavy heart. I can feel it when we kiss.
New music is needed right now. I feel like an idiot. Oh, Buzzcocks.
Well, you tried it just for once, found it alright for kicks. But now you find out that it's a
okay, so this is my first video ever, and it's probably going to be horrible. Horrible. But I guess it's alright. If people watch it, I guess I'll make a new one. You're probably going to watch this on YouTube if you get bored. I hope you don't get so bored to watch this video.